Ever ponder why humans often act selflessly, helping others even at a cost to themselves? Is altruism just a noble virtue, or is there more to it? This is the mystery of altruism, a seeming contradiction to the survival of the fittest principle that underpins much of our understanding of evolution. You see, altruism, the act of selflessly helping others, doesn't exactly fit the bill when it comes to the Darwinian concept of survival of the fittest. Now, there are traditional explanations that try to solve this puzzle. One is kin selection, the idea that we're more likely to help those who share our genes, thus indirectly promoting our own genetic legacy. Another is reciprocal altruism, the "you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours" approach, implying that altruism is an investment in future help. Then there's costly signaling, the theory that altruistic acts are a way to flaunt one's resources or abilities, attracting potential mates or allies. But what if I told you there's another theory that offers a unique perspective on altruism? Interested? Let's dive in. Welcome to the world of multi-level selection theory, a concept that might just change how you view altruism. Dive into the depths of evolutionary science and you'll find a fascinating concept: multi-level selection theory. This theory proposes a unique perspective on social behaviors, particularly altruism. Contrary to what we might instinctively believe, individuals do not act for the good of the species. Instead, they compete with other members of their species in a constant struggle for survival and reproduction. But then, where does altruism fit in? How could selfless acts evolve in a world driven by self-interest? Well, let's imagine a hypothetical scenario. Picture a group of individuals. Some are selfish, looking out for their own interests, while others are altruistic, willing to make sacrifices for the benefit of the group. In the short term, the selfish individuals might seem to have the upper hand. They reap the benefits without bearing the costs. However, over time, the group with altruistic individuals could potentially outperform groups dominated by selfish ones. Why? Because cooperation and mutual support can lead to higher overall productivity and survival rates. As such, altruism, in this context, can be seen as a strategic move, a beneficial trait that could help ensure the survival and success of the group as a whole. Of course, it's important to note that multi-level selection theory is not universally accepted. There are many other theories and explanations for altruistic behavior, from kin selection to reciprocal altruism and costly signaling. Each offers its own unique lens through which to view and understand our complex social behaviors. Yet even if it's not the definitive answer, multi-level selection theory certainly presents an intriguing viewpoint. It encourages us to think about altruism not just as a noble virtue, but also as a strategic tool in the grand game of survival. So, could altruism be a strategic move in the grand game of survival? It's food for thought. But you might be asking, what's in it for me? Well, you'd be surprised. Altruism, this seemingly selfless act of helping others, actually comes with a myriad of benefits for the individual, both evolutionarily and psychologically. From an evolutionary perspective, altruistic behavior can actually strengthen our chances of survival. It's like this: when we help others within our group, we're fostering a sense of community and cooperation. This collective strength can then better equip us to face challenges, thereby boosting our own survival chances. But the benefits of altruism aren't just about survival. They extend deeply into our psychological well-being too. Helping others can trigger a helper's high, a state of euphoria that boosts our mood and self-esteem. It's as if our brains are hardwired to reward us for being kind. Moreover, altruistic acts can potentially set the stage for reciprocal help in the future. In essence, what goes around comes around. By helping others today, we might just be paving the way for receiving help tomorrow when we need it. So next time you lend a helping hand, remember, you're not just helping others, you're also helping yourself. Altruism, it seems, is a win-win.